metronome of typewriter keys. A simple thought brings you to me, and I'm thankful every day. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. In a time when we want it all, everything's so fast. Write a text, no time to call. To slow down, oh, I pray. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'll write to you with ink from a pen. Feel the weight as the words sink in. My mind moves too fast for my hand. I need to tell you this while I still can. It was so dark that warm summer night. I much prefer it to the bright blue light. And I feel the need to say, I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'll write to you with ink from a pen. Feel the weight as the words sink in. My mind moves too fast for my hand. I need to tell you this while I still can.
There you go, guys. I made a bread last night and I put them in the fridge, and this is ready to bake. I'm just putting the cream in the top. And here's the other one.
Jagged metronome of typewriter keys. Another page done. My soul at ease. And I'm thankful every day. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way.
And here right now I am soaking the orange and lemon on water and baking soda and a little bit of salt so that it will remove some of the stuff that we don't need there in the skin. So, and then later I'm going to rub this with the salt and rinse it. So I'm going to make this a lemon and orange tea. here in the garden, and I'm going to trim some of the peach tree. I'm going to trim the branches that we don't need. So yeah, because as you see, there's too many branches and we don't really need that, so we need to cut it so that the tree can just focus on the important branches that will give us a fruit, hopefully. Need to cut it on this one here. See this one that grows inside. 1, 2. There you go. Now I'm here in Wisteria. This is almost 1 year old, and yeah, it's growing really good. But I need to cut some of the tiny branches like these so that the branches that left will get more stronger growth. See that one? So this one shouldn't need that. You see? Do this. I'm looking forward for this bloom this year. I hope so. So we need a good big branches, not the sticks, tiny sticks. We don't need that. Those times of darks and grays have passing days by days, gone with the cold air. The perceptible lengthening of the daylight hours, the budding of daffodils feels very encouraging in a sense of renewal. For the past few days, I was back in the garden, soaking in sunshine, and finally starts our vegetable planting, the flowers. Soon there will be more flower budding, sprouting, and blooming. Truly, I am encouraged and energized by spring. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.